Our mortgage term of today is home inspection. The first thing that you want to know about a home inspection is that it is not an appraisal. A home inspection, I always tell people, helps you sleep better and is not always required by lenders. Most of the time, it isn't required, but there are a lot of cases where it is required, depending on the type of loan that you get. There's inspections that are needed if you're going buying a manufactured home. If they see something wrong with your home, as far as like structurally, if you're doing VA loans. So we're going to go over those inspections. A home inspection helps you understand the property's physical condition, including components such as the roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical system, HVAC system, and appliances. It's not saying that nothing's wrong with the home. It's just going to tell you most likely when those things are going to break down or how long they have left, or if there's something that does need to be fixed that's going to affect you living in the home. You can find out other things such as mold and things like that, or if insulation issues. An appraisal serves a different purpose for the lender and for you. It gives us a value of the home and lets us know what we're going to lend on the home. So that those are the two big differences. Depending on the property, location, and financing, additional inspections may or may not be required. Such things as termite or wood destroying inspections. A lot of people want a termite, especially if you live in the South, because termites will eat your house up. Well or septic inspection. I suggest anybody, if you're purchasing a home that's on a well or in a septic tank, that you get an inspection or ask that the seller provide you one, or the service contract that they have, if they have one, covering their well or septic system. Structural or foundation inspection. If you have a home and you see cracks in the driveway, or if you see cracks on the brick, even if you don't get the inspection and the appraiser goes out and they see these things, or they see settling or windows that won't open, they may ask for a structural foundation inspection. A water quality test. In some areas of the United States, they do require water quality test. So that you can make sure that you're not going into something that's going to be a health hazard for you. And follow-up inspections or repairs for safety concerns. So if you go out and you say your inspector says everything looks good, and we go out and we do an appraisal, and the appraiser notices something that maybe wasn't there that day your inspector went, or maybe your inspector overlooked it, we can suggest and require that a roof inspection be done, or a foundation inspection be done, or different things, or a termite inspection if you didn't get one, even though it's not a VA loan, or you may have not asked for that in your contract. So we do this not just to protect you, but as a lender to protect our assets. So we don't want you to go into a home and have to fix some things and then you not be able to pay your mortgage. That's the biggest thing about it. You also want to go into a home inspections up front, help you negotiate items. The seller may say, may go down on the price, or they may fix them. That's where it comes in with you and your agent. But an inspection is good. It's not always required, but it's a good thing to have. Helps you sleep better. If you have questions regarding your loan requiring an inspection, or inspection issues that you think may stop financing, reach out to me, 404-461-3172, or hit me at reggieloans.com. Talk to you soon.